Hi, welcome. This is a follow-up video for the ArcoLinux Tweak Tool. You know, we have this article that we keep updating, everything you need to know about ArcoLinux Tweak Tool. And this is the old look, right? This is an old version. And the new version can be installed now with an update. We have made some differences in the menu, how it's ordered, but basically the rest is still the same. And look at this. This used to be our pacman config, and this is now. So we definitely need to update the video and the images. What we're going to discuss is everything until here. This is a separate video, but these guys are all about ArcoLinux and ArcoLinux. In this case, we can enable the ArcoLinux repo. And you wonder, why would we enable the ArcoLinux repo? It's always enabled because basically what you are doing is something we should do manually. And that's why we have it, right? Because we don't want to do it manually anymore. That's why GUIs are that graphical user interface. Why are they there? Because we're just lazy, right? This one can go. So we see here these three guys that are available. Right, these are needed. The testing is something else. That's for the beta testers, and that's for as well for the core members. But basically, that's not for the general public. So with a click here, we have this enabled. Simple as that. So that's super interesting, of course, super fast. With a click, it's gone again. So when we do our updates, he's going to take a look at the pacman.conf, and he sees no test, right? And up here, the test was active. So it's as simple as that. With a slider, a click, and it's active or not active. Now these guys, well, it all depends what you're working on. We are a learning distro. It means we have phases. Phase 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Have a look in the articles. Phase 5 means you're an ArcoLinux. But at some point in time, we want to, we call it spice, to spice, get the spices from, spicing off, right? And the thing is, we need to activate the ArcoLinux repos on Arch at that point in time. So I'm looking forward to having a go at ArcoLinux Tweak Tool on an ArcoLinux, and then just enabling tick, click, click, and we have our repos available rather than working with the script we have on GitHub. So that's also possible. That's super interesting as well. And of course, ArcoLinux has its own repos. That's up here. They have the testing repo, right? Multilib testing. So that's this guy. Click up, it's enabled. Enable Arch test repo, a little bit higher, this one. And maybe you're wondering, why are you doing this here? Well, or it's manual, it's done manual, sorry, it's this one. Or it's manual, or it's via this one. So I rather like to work with Tweak Tool. And I see here we have another possibility to theme it a little bit more. We forgot community testing. So next time, enable community test repo will be in here as well. Why is this there? One of the discussions online on Discord was, when will this kernel come out of testing? Because the kernel that's in the testing repo is probably going to solve my hardware issues. Well, it's simple as that. Just a click, download, well, update, and you have the latest kernel in already. As simple as that. So it sometimes helps people to activate the testing repo. Not always. Always take a look first. What is in there? Is there the solution to my issue? Yes, no. Then you can try it out. But always, with all these testing things, back up, back up, back up. All right, next video is going to be about the last part.